Your beats don't feel weak because they're missing something. They feel weak because you're not leaving them alone. Let me explain. We have this instinct. If something feels small, we add stuff. If something feels empty, we fill it. If something feels simple, we complicate it. The other day I made a loop. Nothing crazy, just drums and a melody. And for a moment, it felt good. It had space, it had groove, it breathed. But instead of finishing it, I thought, it needs more. So I added the counter melody, then a pad, then more percussion, then little effects details, because more must mean better, right? And now it sounded bigger, but it didn't feel stronger. That's when I realized something. We don't add because the track needs it. We add because we are uncomfortable with simplicity. Silence feels crazy. Space feels unfinished, so we fill it, but music doesn't work like that. I muted everything I added, one by one, and suddenly it hit harder. The groove came back, the melody stood out again, nothing changed, except I stopped interfering. Professional tracks don't feel powerful because they have the most layers. They feel powerful because they leave room for impact. Space is not weakness. Space is control. Sometimes removing something is actually adding strength. So next time your beat feels weak, before you add something, try removing something and let it breathe.